Hello, what's up? If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates. So let's start today's video. In today's video, we're gonna talk about how tall is the Nicki Minaj and comparing it with the other Hollywood actors, celebrities, and reveal his true height. So let's start this video. Onika Tanya Maharaj Petri, born December 8, 1982, professionally known as the Nicki Minaj, is an Trinidadian American rapper, actress, and model. Born in the St. Uh, James district of the Port of the Spain, Trinidad and the Tobago, and raised in the Queen, both of the New York City. She gained public religion after releasing the mixtapes Playing Is Over 2007, Suka Free 2008, and Beam Me Up Scotty 2009. So guys, now come to the main part of the video. Now we will compare the Nicki Minaj with the other celebrities and reveal her true height. So let's start. So guys, the first picture on the screen, the Nicki Minaj is standing with the her husband Kenneth Perry. The Kenneth Perry height is 5 feet and 8 inches, and here you can say that in this picture Nicki Minaj is wearing big boots with the heels or 2 over 3 inches. That's and therefore he she is 3 inches shorter than the her husband. So guys, move to the next picture. Next picture on your screen. So guys, move to the next picture. The next picture on your screen. Here you can say that the Nicki Minaj and her uh, husband Kenneth Perry is standing each other, and here you can say that in this picture, her husband is bending head and she is upward his toe. And in this picture, you can say that the Nicki Minaj is short and her height is 5 feet 2 or 3 inches. Move to the next picture. So guys, in the next picture you can say that the Nicki Minaj, she is wearing big heels, and here you can say that the in this picture the Kenneth Perry is wearing simple sneakers, and here you can say that the Nicki Minaj is 4 inches shorter than her husband. That's why he is wearing 2 inches heels or big boots. In the next picture you can say that they both are walking, and here you can say that the Nicki Minaj is 4 inches shorter than her husband because she is always wearing a heel or big boots with the big heels. Move to the next picture. So guys, in the next picture you can say that the Nicki Minaj is standing with the Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift is the 5 feet 10 or 11 inches lady. He is a tall woman, and here you can say that the Nicki Minaj, he is wearing a traditional different type of the dress, and with the crown of the big wings on his head, and here you can say that therefore his eyes are down, and the Taylor Swift you can compare the with the heels. The with heels, the Nicki Minaj is 4 inches shorter than the Taylor Swift, 4 or 5 inches shorter than Taylor. Or in the next picture, you can also say that the Nicki Minaj and the Taylor Swift real height, they both are couple of inches shorter. The difference between their height, the Nicki Minaj, here you can say that the 5'2" or 5'3" without heels in the real life. In the next picture you can say that the Nicki Minaj is a couple of inches shorter than the Taylor Swift. Move to the next picture. So guys, move to the next picture. Here you can say that the Nicki Minaj is standing with the Ariana Grande. The Ariana Grande is very short. His height is the 5 feet 0 inches, and she is wearing heels. And the Nicki Minaj is here. Therefore, he's 2 inch taller than the Ariana Grande. Move to the next picture. The next picture. So guys, you can see that the Ariana Grande and the Nicki Minaj, they both are standing, and here you can say that the estimate that the Nicki Minaj is the 2 inches taller than the Ariana Grande, and here you can say that Nicki Minaj is 5 feet 2 inches tall because the Ariana Grande is 5 feet 0 inches tall. So guys, in the next picture you can also say that the Ariana Grande heading his head upward, and here you can say that the difference between the both of heights is the 2 inches. The Nicki is taller than the Ariana Grande. Move to the next picture. The next picture on your screen, the Nicki Minaj is standing with the Drake. The Drake height is the 5 feet and 6 feet and 0 or 6'1", and here you can say that there are a couple of inches difference between the height, because Drake is wearing simple sneakers and the Nicki Minaj although always wearing heels and big boots with the heels, which upward his height of 3 inches, and here you can say that the difference between the height is 5 inches, or without high heels there are a couple of inches more difference between their height. Here you can say that the Nicki Minaj is the 5 feet 2, not more than that. In the next picture, you can say that uh, Drake, the Nicki Minaj is standing and on the Drake, and here you can say that the you can estimate that the Nicki Minaj is short and the Drake is tall. In the next picture, you can say that on your screen. The next picture on the screen, the Nicki Minaj is standing with the Eminem. The Eminem height is the 5 feet and 8 inches tall, and the Nicki Minaj is wearing different type, and that in this dress or traditional dress, they boost their height of the upward. Therefore, he is 2 inches shorter than the Eminem. In the next picture, you can clearly see 3 or 4 inches difference between the Eminem. Here you can say that the he is shorter girl, or height of 5 feet 2 inches. Move to the next picture. So guys, in the next picture you can say that the Nicki Minaj is standing with the Beyonce. The Beyonce height is the 5 feet 6.5 inches, and here you can say that they are both because each other in the couple of heights, because the she is wearing heels, and here in the another picture you can say that the real difference between their height is 4 or 5 inches. Move to the next picture with the Beyonce, Nicki Minaj, and is standing this picture. You can say the couple of inches difference between their heights. Move to the next picture. The next picture is the Nicki Minaj is standing with the Katy Perry. The Katy Perry height is the 5 feet and 7 inches tall, and here you can say that the in this picture you can say that the Katy Perry is 5 feet 7 inches tall, and the Nicki Minaj is 4 or 5 inches shorter than the Katy Perry. Move to the next picture. So guys, in the next picture you can say that the Katy Perry is wearing heels or somewhere, and the Nicki Minaj is not wearing, he wearing simple heels, and here you can say that the 6-7 inches difference between their height. Here you can estimate that the Nicki Minaj is 5 feet 2 height in real life. In the next picture you can also estimate that the Nicki is wearing big heels and the Katy Perry is wearing normal heels. That's why Nicki is although shorter than the Katy Perry. So guys, the next picture on the screen, in the concert, the Nicki Minaj is standing with the DJ Khaled. The DJ Khaled height is the 5 feet 5 feet 7 inches, and here you can say that the in this picture the DJ Khaled is the Nicki is 3 inches shorter than the DJ Khaled. Move to the next picture. So guys, in this picture, the next picture on the screen, the DJ Khaled is heading his head down, and the Nicki Minaj is heading up. And in this picture, you can also say that the Nicki is shorter than the DJ Khaled with the more inches. So guys, move to the next picture. The next picture on your screen, Nicki Minaj is walking with the 619. The 619 height is the 5 feet 5 inches, and Nicki is 3 inches shorter than the 619. Here you can say that the Nicki is 5 feet 2 inches tall. So guys, move to the next picture. The next picture on the screen, the Nicki is with the 619, and here you can say that the Nicki is shorter than the 619. Her height real is the 5 feet 2 inches barefoot, and the 619 is 5 inches tall. And here you can say that the clearly that. So guys, here you clearly see that the Nicki Minaj is the 5 feet 2 inches tall. And guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon for the latest updates, comment down below for the next celebrity height videos. And guys, thanks for watching.